Welcome everyone. Welcome to another contest of Pokemon. Okay, I messed up the intro there. Regardless, welcome. We are going to be entering to the hyper rank of the cool contest. Now, there's a neat little feature you can do. If you talk to this guy, he'll say he is in charge of preparing the contest hall for everyone. If you'd like, I can create a special effect during the talent round in the contest hall. Do you want me to do it? Now, what does this thing do? Well, how can I explain it? I can project a hologram through the entire hall. You won't be able to see the audience, but I think you can enjoy the contest in a different atmosphere. It's kind of atmosphere that will be up to you. So let's begin. So, what does this do? Basically, it uses the camera to use a different background. So, yep. We can change into different kinds. I'm going to position it. Alrighty. I hope this is the best I can do. So, this is going to be more difficult than usual, so. Ooh. Spike burn. Really? Really? Let's show him some real appeal. I have gave it more Pokeblocks, so it'll show off a lot more appeal. Listen to the crowd. Okay. Now let's hear the background. What the? Oh, crud. I didn't get to do it. I was gonna do something special, but I guess I'll have to save it for later. Alright, so let's go. I have changed the moveset a bit. I give it Aerial Ace and Agility. With Aerial Ace, it gives it more appeal on the first turn. Agility can make it go first early. So basically, I can go Wombo combo and get all that hearts. But of course, you gotta be aware of the other people getting the appeal. Ooh, we're gonna be getting this one early. We do have the most hearts, so we get to go first. Let's just give it a little leaf blade. We have maxed out our gauge. Let us Mega Evolve. So let's see what we got. Fresh Flower Garden. Ooh. I'm gonna take a picture of that. That is a smart, I think. Holies. I know people are going to get serious with this. So in order to stay up ahead, I need to use... Well, actually, I have... If anyone else tries to steal the appeal, I'm going to have to use Thief's Storm. I'm not going to lose some more hearts, but I don't want anyone else to get any more appeal. Let's see, that's Beauty. Tried to dazzle, but failed. Okay, there's a Focus Energy. That is the second. Let's see. Oh, wait, third. We just need Pelipper here to go for Spit Up. I was going to say Winning Attack. Oh, hey, so we might have an advantage. I'm gonna go for Agility. Ah, darn it. We've already taken the first applause, so I guess we can give someone else the advantage. But at least we'll go first in the last turn, thanks to Agility. And Sea King has maxed out, so let's see what this Sea King has to offer. Amazing Blessed Brain. Oh, wait a minute. I've seen this. I've seen this in a Let's Play. That's a facade. Huh. Dang. Alright, that showed some appeal there. Alrighty, I'd be mad if someone takes this next applause, so... But, nope. Ain't gonna happen today. But you can get some useful strategies. Focus energy is getting so pumped up quite well. Okay, let's see how we did. I hope we make it. Yes, we won! We still got some more heal with those Poke Blocks. Okay, I am happy. I am happy. We are doing great. We have not lost a single thing. Now, we get able to go to the Master Contests. So, if we can win this, it is going to be the best one yet. Now, we get to go to the Green Room again, once more. I should also mention this. This is actually my very first time doing contests in Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. I forgot to mention the first episode and the second, so I hope all this makes up for it. Nah, look at there's no jamming playing things for you. I'll have the appeal of my love. Oh man, I was just thinking of Little Rich. Hell, I want to shine as an idol, so when I have the time, I can get and practice it. But I was forgetting something more important. You finally managed. You won a hyper rank contest. Fine. Wow, fantastic! You're totally on fire, Meta. You can always count on me, the glittering life of an idol. That's what I'll call this temperature. Don't you think it's perfect, Ali? Ooh, I almost forgot to tell you. I'm sure you'll blast right through the next contest too, man. What other contestants will be tough? It's master ranks, you know. You've got to get your Pokemon plenty of Pokeblocks so the condition is just perfect. And think of the perfect set of moves you use together. But I'm not worried. I know you can do it, Meta. And if when you win all the contests up through the Master Rank, then what would you think about you and me maybe wait. Just not thinking what I'm thinking, right? Right? Maybe... Oh no. Someone had to ruin the moment. Hey, Licia, I know you've been hanging away from me, but Has is on this last. Mark. Oh, Chaz and much. I don't think anyone would say I've been pinning and I pick the worst time to interrupt. What could I be interrupted? And something worth anything is going on. Or while I'm here, I'm your MVP. Never mind that anyway. Look, my cherry brought lunch again today in a parasol box. That's not how you do it. Seriously? So come and join me after a nice private Oh, wait. Oh, we got to love. Oh, wait. Shoot. We got two lovebirds here. Literally. Wow. Much, Harry, you scamp. You got a crush on the mile wide on island. See, even our Pokemons have good chemistry. We're a perfect pair. It's written in the stars, destined to be the ultimate rivals. Chad and Lucius. And you are here again, trying to steal my spot as rival, getting in our way. But you haven't won the hyper rank, and you're not as hopeless as I figured. You're pretty. Sure, it's pretty impressive, but I will congratulate you on it. But still, don't dream you're ever going to beat me. Chat. Look, the contest has brought us all together, which is pretty lucky for us. Can you just drop all the talk of winning and losing? Make the most of here and doing our best, am I right? Right, let's all have fun. Okay, we have a lot of things going on right now. Lisa was about to say something about her and me. Something's like, outside is like, at first I was like, really? You want to be my, and you get the idea, but my second thought was also be my rival. But then, Rich Boy here had to interrupt the whole thing. And now we got two Pokemon fall in love on sight. Okay, so that was interesting. If you enjoyed this, make sure you smash that like button and be prepared when we take on the Master Rank Cool Contest. See you guys around, and happy gaming.